welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is Nikki here. So today I decided that I just set up my camera. We've set it up outside some open doors, so I've let some daylight through. It is a little bit darker now, so what you're seeing is a little bit darker. I hope we start off a little bit brighter. But I wanted just to do like my go-to everyday makeup look, something simple, something easy, just to see if you guys like this. Do you like it without any artificial lighting? We're just using daylight today. Can you see the makeup better? Let me know in the comments down below, and if you want to see how I achieved this makeup look, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I'm hoping that the lighting is okay for you guys. I'm going to start off just with bare skin. I've also done some skincare prep just to get my skin nice and juicy, and then I'm going to move into primer. I'm going to be using the Milk Makeup. This is the Hydro Grip Primer. I really like this. It's really hydrating. It comes like a thick gel consistency, but it's not silicone-y, so it's not going to rub off itself. It's not going to have that kind of like putty-like feeling, which I personally am not the biggest fan of. This is just really nice. It also tends to get a little bit tacky once it dries, which I don't really mind, but just bear that in mind if that's a feeling that you don't really like. Now for foundation, I'm going to mix not foundations, but I'm going to mix a foundation and an illuminator. This is the Dior Forever Summer Skin. I really like this, really nice and lightweight. I am in the shade medium, and then I like to mix this with my NARS Illuminator drops. Basically, I like to mix the NARS Illuminator drops into any foundation. It just kind of shears it out. It gives it more of that kind of dewy finish. So we're going to mix these together, and then we're going to beauty blender these all over the face and the neck area, trying not to get on my shirt, but we're going to try our best, just blending that all over the face. Okay, so this foundation mixed with the illuminator is super dewy, very sort of sheer, so it lets your natural skin shine through. If you've got freckles, beautiful, because it will let you show your freckles through. Now for concealer, I like to personally go a little bit heavier underneath my eyes. You guys may disagree. I think I don't need as much, but I like to just personally add quite a bit of concealer. So I'm going to be using the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer in two shades. We've got Honey, which is going to be like sort of my skin tone, and then Golden Beige, which is just going to help highlight. We will look a little bit crazy after we've blended these out, but don't worry, because we are going to cream bronze, and that will bring everything together. So I'm just going to pop this underneath my eyes and then blend this out using my beauty blender. Now that concealer's on, and personally I do love that step. I feel like it makes me look completely different. I am going to go into cream bronzing. I just love a bit of cream bronze. This is actually new to me. This is the Makeup Obsession Quick Stick, and it's in the shade DO3. So I'm just going to pop this in the hollows of my cheeks, around my temples. We're going to do the sides of the nose as well, and underneath on our jawline, just to get a little bit of dimension. This is solely just to get a little bit of warmth back into the skin so we don't look so flat, and I'm going to blend that out with not a sponge. We're going to blend it out with a brush. Okay, for blush, we're keeping it simple. We're just doing one blush, and this is by Florence by Mills in Glowing Dew. It's a cream blush, really pretty. So I'm just going to pop this just on the apples of our cheeks. I'm going to try my best not to apply too much, but I do love blush. So I'm just going to take this with a brush and apply it to my cheeks and a little bit on the bridge of my nose. Okay, now that blusher is on, and I always feel like blusher makes everything look put together, you know. I am looking awfully shiny, and you can leave it like this if you want to stay dewy and shiny. But what I have been loving is using my Huda Beauty. This is my banana bread easy bake loose baking and setting powder. What I like to do is take this powder and then just tip a little bit out into the lid, dab my damp beauty blender into it, and then just press this powder into the skin, and the skin will mattify, but it also means that it helps the longevity of the makeup, and also stops creasing, and it just looks really flawless. So I'm going to do that right now underneath my eyes mostly, and down the center of the face. You see how once you add the powder it transforms? I've still got a bit of a dew. I'm not completely like chalky looking. My skin will soak it up anyway. I'll go back to looking a little bit dewy. I've added a little bit more powder than I usually do today, just so you guys can see the full effect, but it looks a lot more airbrushed now, you know. The next thing that I will go ahead and do is brows. I love my Benefit Precisely My Brow in shade 4 for brows, and then I'm going to use the Gimme Brow Plus. This is the limited edition jumbo size in shade 5. So we're just going to, honestly, I don't want them to be too heavy, so we're just going to do a couple of lines with the Precisely My Brow, and then just brush through with my Gimme Brow, which is going to give me most of the colour and most of the texture that I need through my brows. We're going to keep eyes super simple. You can go ahead and just put mascara on them right now, but what I'm going to do is, just because I like a little bit more of a cat eye look, I'm going to take my Anastasia Soft Glam palette. We're going to go into Cypress Umber, which is the dark brown in the palette, and then I'm going to give myself the tiniest kind of like thin wing just on the outer half, just to wing my eyes out a little. Ain't gonna lie, your girl's a little bit of a shopping addict. We have clothing, I've got a top, oh, I got like a jade roller as well. I got some gym tops. Oh, I need help. All I'm going to do is take this brush, right, I used it yesterday, it's got bronzer on it, or I think it's got like a bronzer colour on it. Just going to wipe the excess on the lower lash line, because why not? Okay, wings are on. It's been a while. I wasn't going to do this step because it's not something that I really do anymore, but I feel like my eyes, or I feel like something needs a little bit of a pop. So I'm going to take this Bronze Goddess Estee Lauder highlighter in Heatwave. It's new, it's absolutely beautiful. I'm just going to take a little bit of this and apply it into my inner corners like I used to. Now I'm going to go ahead and add my mascara and lashes off camera. I've got Tatti lashes in The Bitch Is Back and Maybelline Lash Sensational, and we'll be back to do lips. Okay, so trust the lighting to go a little bit funny right at the end. We're going to push through. I'm going to use the NYX Lingerie Push Up, and this is in French Maid. We're just going to line the lips with this. Let's be as quick as I can, because I want to show you guys the end result quite nicely. Then I have this, which is super cute. I believe the character's name is Kakao. I don't know, correct me if I'm wrong. This is from yesstyle. It's like a liquid lip. It's in the shade Soft Brown. So I'm just going to dab a little bit of this on the lips because I don't want it to be too strong. I want it to be more like a tint, and then I'm just going to blend that out using a fluffy brush. Now I'm going to add a little bit of a kind of shiny coat on top. I'm using Fenty Beauty Quartz Candy. We're just going to run that over the top. I'm going to spritz a little bit of, this is the Revolution Superfruit spray. Oh my gosh. My favorite scent. And this, guys, is the finished look. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Let me know. I know the sun is setting a little bit. Let me know if you want me to film bright and early. Let me know if you like this color quality. Is it better for you? Can you see things better? Is the makeup nicer? Let me know down below. And also follow me on Instagram if you don't already, because I upload content there every day. And you can keep up to date with me on my stories on a daily, like every hour, probably like every 10 minutes. But you can follow me there. And I love you guys so very much. I'll see you in my next video. Mwah.